Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy A36 heating while charging. So the first thing, it's normal if you use fast charging or if you just are charging your device in some hot environment. So it's normal that your phone may heat if you're, as I said, charge it using fast charging or in a hot environment. But if you are not, go to the settings and now scroll down to the battery over here. Once you tap battery, scroll down even further and tap view details over here. Scroll down again, and now as you can see here, you have the most battery draining applications in your device. Tap on the application that's at the top, tap background usage limits. If it's a system application, don't do it. But if it's an application that you use from time to time, and you don't really need notifications from this application, make sure that it's enabled and scroll out even further and tap put in deep sleep. Once done, you can go back. Do this with every single application that is here and that consumes a lot of battery. Of course, you need to remember that you limit the background usage so you won't receive notifications, and the notifications may be just delayed or your application may not work properly. You need to just check it out. Apart from that, make sure that you use original charger and a cable. If you do, that's nice, but if you don't, you need to buy a certified ones, because this is a battery protection that your phone will just heat if it's just receiving power with unstable voltage. Apart from that, avoid using your phone while charging, for example, gaming. If you do, it will not only damage the battery, but it will cause your phone to heat, and both are of course wrong for your phone. Apart from that, here as you can see, I do have a case on my device. If you do have one, just take it off, remove it, and you'll be good to go. As you can see, that's it as for the case. And as a final tip, charge in a cool and ventilated area. In the beginning of the video, I did tell you that when you charge your device in a hot environment, it can be hot, it can be damaged, so it won't work. So you need to just charge in a cool and ventilated area. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.